Hey guys, Mr. one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. I have tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever I have, what I know, okay, to shape up your career, to make your life more beautiful, and to give you that proper knowledge about how to survive in an adverse situation. And right now, I'm going to talk about one more thing, that is what are the differences between a paid course and a free course. Okay, so the first one is instructor learner interactivity. It's no secret that money can be a huge motivation. Creating an online course can be resource intensive in many ways. From deciding on the base to creating the content, instructors can spend weeks and in some cases more on creating a single course. Okay, not counting the professional equipment necessary to deliver the necessary audio and video quality fit for modern learners. Imagine going through all that and simply making the course available for free. You make nothing out of the course, and you have no organization supporting you. So guys, the first thing, you are the instructor led training is very much important, and the interaction is also very much important. Community. Another difference between free and paid courses is the community support. Paid courses give you some sense of belonging and most get you involved in some form of a forum where learners can discuss issues and seek support from other learners. Most of the free courses, on the other hand, do not provide the option, and learners are left to seek support from platforms. Okay, so according to the analysis, community and other environmental factors play a huge role in social learning. So this means learners can pick information better with the help of a community, and even more so when the community is dedicated to accomplishing the same task. The job opportunities. Some paid courses from recognized institutions usually have some form of partnership with specific organizations to recruit their high performing learners. That said, this option is usually provided to learners enrolled in some accelerated and recognized training programs. So these are the things. When you are going to attend a paid course, you can get the opportunity to start your career with another companies also. There are the in PCS Global also we have that opportunity. Our CEELP program is that program which we have the partnership with another companies, and we deploy candidates in another companies. Okay, advanced lessons. Free courses are great options when looking to gain a better understanding of the fundamental things, okay, or a subject for topic, but may sometimes not be the best when it comes to advanced concept. Courses on platforms like YouTube are free, which means instructors need to rely on advertisement to make some revenue from these courses. Unfortunately, some learners give up quickly when the course or concepts in the course start to get harder to understand. So that time we try to quit. This is our tendency. Okay, so dropout rate. Although online courses have higher dropout rates compared to in-person courses, the dropout rates are even higher with free online courses, because free courses come to no cost to the learner. It's easier for them to drop out and move on to the next thing. However, dropout rates for paid courses are less than free courses, as paid courses require some level of investment which incentivizes learners to continue and complete the courses. This doesn't mean that there are no dropout in paid courses, but it simply means that dropout rates in paid courses are lesser than in free courses. So certificate. Although some industries may not place much emphasis on academic qualification but instead on practical skills, some organizations and industries still do it in our modern era. In the case where a certificate may be relevant in your professional advancement and employability, ensuring that whichever course you enroll in provides a certificate is a necessity. That said, not all certificates are accelerated, therefore making them irrelevant in some situation. Most free courses, for instance, do not provide a certificate on completion. This means learners can acquire the skills and training but do not get a certificate to present to employers. Learners in free courses in some cases can pay to acquire the certification on completion of the course. However, paid courses on the other hand may come with some form of a certificate. Some may be get and others simplify provide a certificate that can be made available on your LinkedIn profile or set or printed. That depends. The quizzes and assignments. Paid courses can be hosted in a variety of ways, including marketplace platforms and hosted on the instructors led training. Okay, testing is a part of learning, and such platforms provide features that can be leveraged to help learners gain a better understanding of a topic before moving on to much more detailed and high level ones. Unfortunately, most free courses on platforms like YouTube do not have that functionalities, making it difficult to help learners test their levels of understanding of concepts learned before proceeding to even harder or more advanced concepts. Resources files. Okay, most paid courses are hosted on a marketplace platform or uncustomized learning management system, that is called LMS. Okay, making it easy to include any necessary resource files in the lessons. All the free courses can also be hosted on similar platforms. Most do not make resource files accessible to learners. In some cases, learners who enroll in the free course can only have access to the files once they become paying customers. Okay, lessons on platforms like YouTube, the other hand, do not usually include resource files, or in some cases, these files can be hosted on separate platforms of learner to access. The bottom line. Okay, paid courses have their advantages and so do free courses. You can learn the same skills available in a paid course from a free course. So simply with your options and leverage the best available option to get you the insight you need. So if you're primarily interested in the certificate, a paid course may be the best option, especially when a free option with the certificate isn't available. Online courses are meant to make access to content easier, and both paid and free courses work together to get the job done. But we need to understand that only if you wanted to start your career properly, free courses only can help you to gain the knowledge and the fundamental only the fundamental knowledge, and only paid course can give you that mileage to start a better career. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java full stack development, in Salesforce, in Java DevOps, in data science, in Python, and in Monster technology also. In our YouTube channel, our Monster technology videos are going on. You can go through our videos and you can get the fundamental knowledge. But if you wanted to start your career as a Monster developer, you need to join our courses and you can get the certificate from that part. Okay, so this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below. Stay safe, be happy, make others happy, and uh, have a very good day.